very quick way to add money to your PayPal account. Now, I've made this video before, and here's the confusing part. If you go to paypal.com, it looks completely different and the process is different than if you open the PayPal mobile app. So let me show you here on paypal.com, and then I'll show you on the PayPal mobile app, because it's just a different place on both. So if you just type in paypal.com and log into your account here, all you have to do is press the menu option right over here. And with that selected, there's an option here called Wallets. Go to Wallets, and here you should see a PayPal balance. And if you've never used it before, it's just going to say zero. All you have to do is click on it right here, and then it'll bring you to this page where you could transfer money into it or out of it too. If you press transfer money, it says right here, add money to your balance. We don't want to transfer to our bank, this is transferring out. We want to bring money in. Select this option, and here you do need to link at least one bank account because the money does have to come from somewhere. So if you did not do that in the setup process, make sure you do that right now, and then select that account. And then when you press next, all you have to do is type in the amount right here, and then press done, and then it's going to say from that bank account into your PayPal balance, and then go ahead and press next. And it typically takes 3 to 5 days, business days, to appear here. It does have one more page to review that transfer as well, so you can go ahead and do that on the next page to verify it. Let me show you on the mobile app now. I'm going to exit paypal.com, and I'm going to open the PayPal mobile app on my phone. It's also the same on Android phones too. And here you see you don't have that menu option up here. Instead, your PayPal balance appears right in the middle of the page like this. And all you have to do is click right here where it says PayPal balance. It takes you to this page, and you just have to add money from here. Press add money, and then you have a bunch of options: cash a check, add cash, add from a bank account. If you add cash, look at this. You can add cash to PayPal using exactly this step-by-step process here. Let me go back. You can also add it from your bank like I showed you previously. And here you can type in an amount. Again, you have to make sure you link a bank account here. So if you were transferring $5, press next. And again, right here it says from your bank account. Again, make sure you link one, and then it will appear to your PayPal balance if you press add to your balance. And you just added it. This one doesn't have a verification like the website does. So on the app, as soon as you press it, it will transfer it. You can just press on here. And it's that simple to add money to PayPal using paypal.com or here on the PayPal mobile app.